के तपाईको राइडिङ ज्याकेट एकदम भारी छ के तपाईको राइडिङ ज्याकेट थन्केर बसेको छ अनि एभ्रीडे राइडिङको लागि खोज्दै हुनुहुन्छ we have the solution for you. Welcome to Motogear 101. म तपाईको श्रीकेश शाक्य bringing to you कवचको राइडिङ होडी. Before we start, let's change up this hoodie. Oh damn, this looks pretty nice. Right. So this is Kavachko riding hoodie. Now what makes it different than normal hoodies? First thing let's talk about is armor pockets. Hey, you get armor pockets on your elbows and shoulders. Hey, sadly Kavach does not include them with the hoodie. They need to be bought separately. So they are found here, here and here. As you can see, there are obvious color differences. Means यहाँ दुईटा different fabric use भएको छ. The blue color fabric is your normal cotton type fabric with felt inside for keeping you warm, and these black panels you see over here. Now these black panels are Cordura, around 700 denier ko, placed perfectly in main impact zone, so that when you do get into an accident, you do get extra sliding protection on these high impact zones. The next thing Kavach has done, as you can see on my hand, are these thumb loops. Hey? So, जाडोमा चलाउने बेलामा you need to keep these things inside your glove so that they stay completely warm and completely away from the wind. And last thing is this collar right here. Now the collar is already high-waisted, and त्यसले गर्दाखेरि it's going to keep your neck warm and keep it less exposed. Now Kavach has done a lot of things very well with this hoodie. Armor, thumb loops, and my favorite is the hood itself. Now normally hoodies have draw cords or something like that to tighten your hood. Those things will turn your helmet into a drum set going ta da 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 when you start going at speeds. And they have removed it completely, and the hood is designed in such a way that it does not fly over or cause any disturbances when you ride. But there is one thing I feel that is very missing when it comes to this hoodie, and that is windproofing. Hey, Kavach, if you're listening to us, a little bit of windproofing won't be so bad, because चिसोमा लाउने बेलामा हल्का त चाहियो नि यार. You can get this hoodie in two different colors, the blue as you can see it over here and a black one. The hoodie costs $4,900 if you get it without the armor, $6,700 if you get it with the armor included. That's it for this episode of Motogears 101. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on social media as well. Comment down below on what Motogears you would like to see us review next. Saying this is me, Shrikesh, signing off. Ride safe and stay safe.